Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to install and configure PostgreSQL Server 18.3 on AlmaLinux 10. Okay, first open the default browser that comes with AlmaLinux, that is Firefox. Then go to PostgreSQL official website, it is postgresql.conf. See here, at the time of making this video, the latest release of PostgreSQL Server is 18.3. Click on this download or click on download, both are same. Then click on Linux. Then select Red Hat, Rocky or AlmaLinux. See, the PostgreSQL memory repository currently supports RHL, Rocky, AlmaLinux and Fedora. Then select the platform Red Hat, Rocky or AlmaLinux or Oracle Linux 10. Then select the architecture, then select the version. See here we have the versions from 14 to 18. 18 is the latest one. See, once we selected it, populated the list of the commands that needs to be executed. Okay, now open terminal. Then copy these commands one by one. It is done. Now install PostgreSQL Server. Sudo dnf install PostgreSQL 18-server. If you want to install 17, here you have to give 17. Okay, hit enter. Type and hit enter. See, we are installing PostgreSQL Server version number 18.3 and these dependencies. Type for confirmation and hit enter. We have successfully installed PostgreSQL Server 18.3. Ctrl A. Now verify the status of the PostgreSQL service. Sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL -18. If you don't give a hyphen version number, it won't work. So we have to give the installed version number. See, PostgreSQL Server is installed and it is disabled. Okay, and it is not started. Quit. Now we have to run these commands. First it is going to initialize the database, then it is going to enable the service, then it is going to start the PostgreSQL Server. Okay, paste them one by one. See, PostgreSQL service is enabled and it is active and running. We have started it 9 seconds ago. Press spacebar. See, these are the processes and this is the data directory: logger, evoker, checkpointer, logical replication, background writer, wall writer, auto vacuum launcher and logical replication launcher. Quit. Ctrl A. Now we will connect the PostgreSQL Server. Sudo su-postgres PSQL. See, we have connected to PostgreSQL Server. Here, this is not the version of the PostgreSQL Server, it is PSQL client version. To verify the version of the PostgreSQL Server, select version. See, we have installed PostgreSQL Server 18.3. The first step after connecting to PostgreSQL Server is we have to set the password for Postgres user, which is the super user. First, verify list of users that comes with PostgreSQL Server installation. /du. See, we have only one user. We can also get the list of the users by running select username from pg_user. Okay, now set the password for this super user. Alter user Postgres with password. Here, whatever is there in single or double quotes, it is a password. Alter means the above alter statement executed successfully. Ctrl A. Now our file list of databases \l. See, these are the default databases that comes with PostgreSQL Server installation. Spacebar. Now create database. \l. See, we have created database bank, and this is the one of the database. Now switch to this database and create a table. To switch to database, we have to use \c or \. See, you are now connected to database bank as user Postgres. Now our file list of tables. See, we don't have any tables, so create table. See, we have created table customer name public schema, and this is the one of the table. Now insert some data into this table. See, we have inserted these rows. Now we'll create user. See, we have created user. Now exit from the current session and connect to PostgreSQL Server with this new user. Here, whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is the password. \give is the command. Exit PSQL hyphen H means hostname, localhost, because PostgreSQL Server is installed on this one. U must be caps. Then username David hyphen D means database Postgres. Enter. Then provide the password of this newly created user. See, we have successfully connected. Let us verify the currently logged in user. See, we have connected to PostgreSQL Server with the user David. Now try to access the database. See, you are now connected to database bank as user David. Now try to run the query against the table that is there in this database. See, permission for table customer, because we have created user but haven't granted any privileges. That's why you have received this error. Exit. Now we'll see how to start and restart PostgreSQL Server 18.3 on AlmaLinux. We can't stop or start with this Postgres user. So exit. Sudo systemctl stop PostgreSQL 18. Now verify the status. See, PostgreSQL Server is inactive or dead. 3 seconds ago. Quit. You can also verify by trying to connect to PostgreSQL Server. See, we are unable to connect. So exit. Start it again. Sudo systemctl start PostgreSQL 18. Now verify the status. See, we have started 3 seconds ago. Quit. If you want to restart, see, we have restarted 1 second ago. Until now, we have connected PostgreSQL Server by using PSQL client. You can also connect PostgreSQL Server by using pgadmin or dpware. Those are the most popular tools. You can search for my YouTube channel how to install both on AlmaLinux. The last option that I want to show is connect to PostgreSQL Server PSQL. Now we'll find the config files and data directory, log directory locations. So config_file. This file contains PostgreSQL Server level configuration parameters. Another one is HBA. HBA means host-based authentication file. It contains authentication rules. See, both are in the same directory. Next, data directory location. So data_directory. See, all three are in the same directory. Okay. Next, log directory. So log_directory. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install configure PostgreSQL Server 18.3 on RHEL9. Then we have seen how to connect from the PSQL client. Okay, for more PostgreSQL database or Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.